Well, hello to all. My name is Joaquin, and I'm from Neuquén, Argentina. This is my project called Neuquén Basin Web Application. So let's see the main functionalities of the page. Here we have a carousel of images, each of them applicable. Let's click the first. This section gives a quick overview of the page and certain information of the Neuquén Basin. Let's see the main functionality of this web application. This page allows the user to search for certain geological units in base of information. As we see here, a list of properties. Each of them are allow the user to input some value. I only search the Triassic units. Let's see here, the properties of Shoy. And we have here a table that was elaborated by Bootstrap. Here we have the bibliography. Each of these information are stored in a SQL database. Let's see here other functionality. Here we have a drop-down list of the formations, and we can search directly the database and the property table stored in the database. Here we have the table, same as before, the bibliography. Let's return to home. Can here hit the button and see the final functionality that I want to show you. These are two interactive maps. Let's see one of them. This consists of a map with icons that can be clicked and see pop-ups with pictures of the main outroutes of the Neuquén Basin and some information with it. It's simply this. There's a quick tour of the app, whether you are searching or just exploring, and this app gives you, I hope, the tools to understand the Neuquén Basin. Happy exploring, and thanks for your attention.